The finest homes deserve the finest marketing, and the Fitzpatrick team has perfected the luxury formula. We understand that there is a higher standard that needs to be met, and our strategy is purely an art form. Hi everyone, my name is Caroline Leitao, and let's talk about selling luxury property. I'm going to share with you my secrets while selling this $1 million condo in Newport, Rhode Island. First, I want to begin with introducing the RE/MAX collection, which is a massive database for much more affluent home buyers and sellers around the world. The RE/MAX collection offers exclusive and distinctive marketing tools to better serve discerning clients. To qualify for inclusion, the home must double the average sold price in our zip code. Through the RE/MAX collection, we invest in international luxury advertising, so your home will be featured in prominent global brands including the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, the Robb Report, and DuPont Registry. In addition, your home will be presented on global.remax.com, which caters to buyers in 49 languages and displays 65 currencies. Having your property associated with the RE/MAX collection is one of the best decisions you can make. In addition to the RE/MAX collection, investing in creative people to execute luxury marketing is extremely important. I invested in a photographer with a strong background in architectural and interior photography to really highlight the value and glamour of the home. Luxury video is just as important, and I highly suggest hiring a professional video team to capture the most cinematic video experience possible. You want buyers to feel like they are watching an award-winning movie. Once I had my content captured, I had my director of marketing design a single property website for this particular property. I find it important to present the property like its own brand, and putting in the extra work for a custom website helped sell the property much faster and at the best possible price. A custom website for the property offered a comprehensive online experience for buyers across the country. Next, engaging in reverse prospecting to target my luxury buyers is a strong tactic when looking for buyers in the $1 million plus price range. Reverse prospecting allows me to view a list of contacts that have saved home criteria that matched my seller's property. To explain further, all realtors have access to MLS, which is our massive real estate database. And as agents work with buyers, they start saving their home criteria, price and location being the most important. And that is important for us because we can now directly target anyone who has a similar criteria to the house we are selling. This is reverse prospecting, and it's a powerful tool to introduce the home to other buyer agents. That was a lot of information, but I am so happy that you stuck around this long. Before I wrap things up, let me remind you that the Fitzpatrick team has ranked the top RE/MAX luxury real estate team in Rhode Island for the last 3 years in a row, and we look forward to holding that ranking for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.